Most mini PCs sold today are overpriced junk built to disappoint within months. Pick wrong and you waste hundreds of dollars in desk space. Ever wished for a compact PC that actually feels powerful? This video breaks down the best mini PCs so you get true value. Today, I'm going to be going over the best mini PC that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the GEEKOM AX8 Max. From the outset, this compact powerhouse targets professionals, creators, and small offices seeking silent operation, robust multitasking, and Windows 11 Pro. Its 3 operating modes, quiet, normal, and performance, promise tailored noise and performance balances for office work, content creation, and gaming. The chassis uses a precision-crafted aluminum frame that exudes durability while keeping a slim profile suitable for desks and media consoles. Despite its compact footprint, the GEEKOM AX8 Max offers connectivity including USB 4.0 and dual 2.5 LAN ports. Windows 11 Pro pre-installed accelerates first-run experiences and domain compatibility for professional workflows across productivity suites and collaboration tools. The 16 GB of DDR5 RAM are first installed and expandable to 128 GB for intense multitasking. The included 1 TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD delivers boots and app launches, with expansion options up to 8 TB for media libraries. In real-world workloads, normal mode balances speed and efficiency, while performance mode unleashes the 8-core processor for rendering and gaming tasks. During heavy video editing, the Ice Blast 2.0 cooling system keeps temperatures in check and noise far lower than typical rivals. It supports 8K quad display configurations, enabling expansive multi-display setups for production studios, classrooms, and digital signage applications. Memory and storage upgrade options set this model apart from many compact rivals, ensuring longevity as software demands grow. When stacked against a typical mini PC with active cooling and limited RAM, the GEEKOM AX8 Max offers better multitasking and silence. The pros include upgradability to 128 GB RAM and 8 TB SSD, whisper quiet operation, and strong multi-display support. The cons include a premium price point and potentially limited availability in certain regions or channels for mainstream consumers. At number 4, we have the KAMRUI Pinova P1. From the outset, the KAMRUI Pinova P1 signals a thoughtful balance of performance and portability, targeting professionals, students, and small work groups demanding reliability. Build quality pairs a premium aluminum chassis with refined edges, delivering durability without bulk, while compact dimensions fit neatly in desks and shelves. 16 GB of LPDDR4 memory, along with a fast SSD and 2 M.2 slots, provide ample headroom for multitasking. Triple 4K display support arrives, enabling concurrent output via HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C, empowering immersive multitasking across 3 screens. 6 USB 3.2 ports, a USB-C connection, HDMI 2.0, and DisplayPort 1.4 cover peripherals and displays. Ryzen 4300U delivers smoother multitasking and stronger multi-thread performance than entry-level chips, easing daily tasks. Compared with typical entry-level i-series mini PCs, the Pinova P1 delivers noticeably smoother multitasking and faster integrated graphics. The pros include robust build quality, triple 4K display capability, and excellent storage headroom. The cons include premium price and audible fan noise under heavy workloads. Thermals and acoustics are kept in check by a modest cooling design, allowing longer sessions without dramatic throttling. The port assortment and wireless connectivity complete a package with dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, optimized for 24/7 operation. Business-grade reliability shines through in continuous operation scenarios, with stability tests supporting long uptime requirements and predictable performance. Final assessment highlights who should buy this mini PC, including small teams, media centers, and education environments seeking balance of performance and efficiency. Bottom line verdict highlights strong value through performance, triple display flexibility, and clear suitability for business, education, and home offices. At number 3, we have the Apple Mac Mini. The Mac Mini's compact footprint positions it as a versatile solution for students and home offices seeking space-efficient power. With a 5x5-inch footprint and modern design, the Mac Mini fits neatly beside monitors, delivering unobtrusive yet capable performance. Convenient connections include Thunderbolt, HDMI, Gigabit Ethernet, and front-facing USB-C ports along with a headphone jack for flexible setups. The M4 chip delivers dramatic speedups across apps from launch times to graphics tasks, ensuring snappy, responsive interactions under typical workloads. Apple Intelligence layers privacy protections and efficiency, guiding workflows while maintaining user control, which helps protect data without hindering everyday productivity. Apps optimized for Apple Silicon run with impressive speed on macOS, revealing faster launches and smoother multitasking compared to older architectures. If you love iPhone, Mac acts like a natural companion with iPhone mirroring, messages, and seamless handoff, enhancing productivity across devices. With 16 GB of unified memory and 512 GB of solid-state storage, multitasking remains fluid while boot times stay brisk. During testing, the system remained quiet, stayed cool, and delivered reliable performance across extended sessions with heavy browser workloads and media apps. Compared to the prior generation M2 Mac Mini, the M4 model delivers noticeably faster graphics and smoother multitasking. The pros include a compact footprint, seamless ecosystem integration across Apple devices, and blistering M4 performance in processor and GPU tasks. The cons include premium price and limited upgradability for memory and storage. Design-wise, the Mac Mini remains a discrete centerpiece that blends into professional settings while delivering desktop-class capabilities without occupying excess space. If you need a quiet, compact desktop that leverages Apple Silicon for efficiency and ecosystem synergy, this Mac Mini is an appealing choice. At number 2, we have the KAMRUI Hyper H1. Powered by an 8-core Ryzen 7 7735HS processor, the H1 Mini PC targets multitaskers and creative professionals. It can drive 3 displays simultaneously at 4K resolution through DisplayPort HDMI and USB Type-C, delivering an immersive multitasking environment. The chassis uses a premium brushed metal finish and a compact frame that balances rigidity with a lightweight profile for portability. Equipped with 24 GB of LPDDR5 memory operating at blazing 5,500 MHz ensures smooth multitasking. The system ships with 1 TB NVMe storage and provides 2 M2 slots to upgrade storage up to 4 TB. KAMRUI Hyper H1 provides Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring stable wireless performance for gaming and cloud work. In practical testing, the H1 maintains smooth frame pacing across modern titles at medium settings while multitasking streaming and editing tasks. Thermal design focuses on quiet operation while maintaining steady performance with modest thermals under sustained workloads and only faint fan noise. Compared to the Intel NUC 11 Pro, the Hyper H1 delivers more cores, more memory, and faster multitasking yet consumes more power. The pros include excellent CPU performance, massive memory, and fast storage, and triple 4K display support for demanding creative tasks. The cons include higher price and potential heat output under prolonged gaming sessions, plus some fan noise in quiet environments. For creators and small teams, the Hyper H1 offers productive multitasking, fast asset transfers, and reliable multi-monitor workflows. If you need a compact, future-ready desktop replacement with ample RAM and storage, the Hyper H1 stands out. At number 1, we have the KAMRUI Hyper H1. This device features a premium brushed aluminum shell that feels remarkably sturdy and refined in daily use. Its compact footprint and slim profile allow easy placement on a desk or in a travel bag. Powered by an 8-core 16-thread AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor with a base frequency 3.2 GHz and a maximum boost of 4.75 GHz. With 24 GB of LPDDR5 memory clocked at 5,500 MT per second, multitasking remains seamless. A 512 GB NVMe PCIe 3.0x4 solid-state drive comes standard, with an M2 slots for expansion up to 4 TB. The integrated graphics deliver crisp visuals while supporting triple display output for productive multi-screen setups. A robust set of connectivity options includes 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2 for reliable networking. In real-world usage, the Hyper H1 handles office tasks, creative apps, and light gaming with steady responsiveness. Thermal design keeps temperatures in check during extended sessions, preserving performance without excessive fan noise. In direct comparison with the Beelink GT Ultra, the KAMRUI Hyper H1 shows greater memory capacity and a higher boost clock. The pros include powerful CPU, ample memory, and triple display support. The cons include non-user upgradable memory and premium price. The out-of-the-box experience includes a pre-installed operating system and a design ready for immediate use.